Alright, so here we have the first question, which states the ratio of LCM and HCF of the least composite number and the least prime number. So what we are going to do in this sequence of these questions, in the solutions, we are going to give you the concept first so that you understand the idea behind the question, and then we'll go for the solution. So here the four important concepts for this question is: first, to know the least composite number, to know the least prime number, the LCM of two numbers and the HCF of two numbers. So let's quickly have a concept of prime and composite. So we start with the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. The thing is that what is the lowest prime number? So I would like to tell you, this is where majority of the students have a confusion. 1 is neither a prime number nor a composite number. Now what is a prime number? A prime number is a number which has exactly two factors, like this number 2. 2 is its factor and 1 is its factor. So it has two factors, itself and 1. Same thing is with 3. It will be a prime number because it has two factors. One is the number itself and the other is 1. However, 4 will not be a prime number. Now what's the definition of composite number? That it should have, of course, 1 as a factor, itself as a factor, but 4 has 2 also as its factor. So since now the number of factors have increased by 1 more, that is, it has 3 factors, it is the first composite number. So let us see what is the first composite number. Come on, tell me. 4 is the lowest composite number. What is the lowest prime number? Now you can see this is the lowest prime number, which is 2. So the next concept is LCM of 2 and 4. So what is the meaning of LCM? It's the lowest common multiple. Right now I am not going in detail for the method of calculation, but I'll just simply say the multiples of 2 are 2, 4, 6, 8, etc. And the multiple of 4, of course, 4, 8, 12. So we have lots of common multiples, like 8 is a common multiple, 16 would be a common multiple, but the question is which is the lowest common multiple. So here you can see that 4 is the lowest common multiple. So what is the LCM of 2 and 4? 4. Alright. Now what is HCF? It's the highest common factor. So let's just think about the factors of 2. Of course, the number is a factor of itself. 1 would definitely be factor of all natural numbers. As far as 4 is concerned, the number 4 is a factor of itself. 2 is again a factor of 4, and finally 1. And the question is which is the highest common factor. Now you can see of all the factors, 2 is the highest common factor. So from here we get the LCM of 2 and 4 is 4, and the HCF of 2 and 4 is 2, right? So in this question what they have asked, they've asked the ratio of LCM and HCF. So we have the LCM and the HCF. Now since the LCM is 4 and HCF is 2, so what would be the ratio? Ratio would be 2:1. So you can see in the sample paper, the correct option is the ratio 2:1. Got it or not? So in this question, I'll be giving it a difficulty index of 4. So from a scale of 1 to 5, the difficulty index is 4, because first thing, the concept of 1, whether 1 is a prime number or a composite number, this should be clear. Next is the calculation of HCF and LCM, which of course is not a very difficult thing, but the tricky part would be that you don't have to calculate simply the LCM and HCF. You have to find the ratio of LCM and HCF. So that is what makes this question tricky. So that is why I am giving it a difficulty index of 4. All right.